Hello again and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you a simple strategy for scalping meme coins, and we will start on DEX Screener. You can use DEX Screener on your computer or mobile, it doesn't matter where you use it. Click Solana on the left side to select Solana tokens only, and then choose Radium, because Radium is the biggest exchange on Solana where most of the traffic happens. Go to the Trending tab and click the 1 hour time frame. Next, open the filter and put in 10,000 in the liquidity. In the pair age, enter 5 hours, and in the 24-hour volume, put in 50,000. Click the apply button when done. Now we want to look for coins with a market cap that is at least 3 times bigger than the liquidity. If the market cap is less than liquidity, the coin is dying and we don't want to trade a dead coin. We also don't want to trade coins with an extreme 24-hour change. These extreme coins are often manipulated by devs who use fake wallets to pump the price and then sell the tokens at once, making you exit liquidity. If you find a token with a decent percentage, open the chart in the 1 minute time frame and check if the liquidity is locked and burned. If there is a green circle around the liquidity amount, continue and go to the warnings tab to see if there are any alerts. If this looks okay, copy the token address by clicking the copy icon and go to the RugCheck website. Put in the contact address in the field to check if the token is safe. If you don't see any issues, I like to do an extra security check in my TTF Telegram bot. You can download the bot for free in the description below. Put in the token address and give it a second to load. Be sure to see a green check mark next to the mint and a fire after the liquidity. Also check if the top 10 holders hold less than 20% of the tokens. If they hold more than 20%, get out and find another token to trade. Now open your favorite exchange. I use Bullx, but you can also use Photon or Autosnipe, whatever you prefer. Look up the token address and open the chart in the 1 minute time frame. Grab the line tool on the left and draw a support line. You want to enter a position when the price comes back to the support line. It's a good idea to buy when the next candle starts forming after the price surpasses the previous high. This indicates strong community support. It takes some practice to see where a token has found support, so I recommend you do some paper trades first before you put in real money. If you found a good entry, you can buy the token manually, or you can set a limit order in Bullx so you don't have to wait in front of your screen all day. It's easy to set a limit order on Bullx. Just enter the amount of Solana and move the slider to where you want to get in. I have the auto sell enabled, so if I buy a token, then Bullx automatically places a stop loss and take profit order without me doing anything. I set my stop loss at minus 30% and my take profit at 50%, but you can use a different setting, of course, depending on your risk management. If you want to add a new auto sell, click on Create a new strategy and fill in your details. After the order is placed, I like to check if other traders are buying the token, and if the trade is going in the right direction, I sometimes delete the stop loss and take profit order and sell the token manually. My strategy is to sell at a 2x profit. I don't want to be too greedy because most meme coins will dump sooner or later, so always lock in your gains. Sometimes I sell only 80 or 90% of my tokens and I keep a moonback in case the price explodes later. If you follow this scalping strategy, you can avoid a lot of scams and trade good coins with some decent fundamentals. Thanks for being here again, and remember, this is not financial advice. Meme coins are risky. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or remarks, or have a chat in the Telegram group. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and stay safe.